Hi, it's Raymond Whittaker from VivaMK, just unboxing a delivery. So let's see what's inside the delivery. Everything from this delivery has been ordered through the catalogues. So people still ordering from catalogues. So let's have a look. Just go open the box. So just getting the box open now. We've got a bit of cardboard packing. So we've got the delivery sheet here. So we've got some oven gloves. We've got a mattress topper. So we've got some waterproof spray. We've got a bottle of Clean Easy Remove Refresh. We've got Blue Magic. We've got a two love hearts. So we've got a Angela sort of mirror. We've got a Place Safe toolbox for children. So we've got a Beauty UK. We've got a wardrobe humidifier. We've got some VivaMK customer order forms. So we've got 2 packs customer order forms. We've got a bag of test kits, test item. So we've got some extra ones that's the bag's broken. We've got a little cat chain. We've got a Clean Easy mop. Got a second Clean Easy mop. Got a little top. We've got a bag of drain sticks. So we've got a little second box taped up. Let's see what's inside this second box. Got a couple of dishwasher cleaning. We've got a bag of Beauty UK makeup. Got some nail varnish remover, sorry, nail polish, nail paint remover. Got some facial cream in there as well. Got a bottle of Drain Away. Got a second bottle of Drain Away. Got some Bin Bright. We got a tea bag squeezer. And that's first box empty. We've got the second little box in here. So we'll open this one, see what's inside. So we've got Blue Magic, we've got some foot lotion, some cream, hand cream, heel cream, got some hand cream, got some cream, got some dishwasher cleaner, got another cracked heel cream, got washing machine cleaner, one's lemon, one's linen. We dropped it. Got 2 more lemon washing machine cleaners, and the second box empty. And that's this first box empty. So we've got a second box which we're going to undo. So we've got the second box here, and just going to open it up and see what we've got inside. A bit of cardboard, another bit of packing cardboard. So what we've got here, we've got a relax colouring book, another relax colouring book, another relax colouring book, 2 books of pencils. We've got a shopping bag. We've got a bathroom shaving mirror. We've got a kitchen genie multi-can opener. We've got a second multi-genie can opener. We've got a tumble dryer, sheets, 2 boxes of tumble dryer sheets. We've got hemming tape, got a dishwasher freshener. So we've got some touch-up markers. We've got some freezer bag clips. So we've got dish cloths, got fly killer. We've got another kitchen genie multi-purpose opener. Our favourite microwave egg poacher. We've got another flying killer. So we've got here, we've got a bottle scraper. Got food waste bags. So we've got knife and scissor sharpener. We've got a keep your car cool in the sunshine screen protector. We've got ironing cloth. We've got a air fryer liner, reusable. So we've got another ironing cloth. We've got a microwave soft cloth. We've got a bike cover, push bike cover. So we've got reusable silicone stretch lids. Got washing nets, VivaMK unboxing delivery. So we just had some washing mats. We've got the 20 peg clothes dryer. So we've got a microwave cooking set. So we've got a twin draft guard for interior and exterior internal use. So we've got another hemming tape. Got a couple more bits of backing. We've got the first box in this box. So let's open the box and see what we've got inside it. So we've got Does It Shaken Fresh. Got Does It Shaken Fresh carpet owners. We've got a VivaMK Path and Patio cleaner. We've got a VivaMK washing machine cleaner. We've got a Does It Shaken Fresh carpet freshener. We've got a VivaMK jewelry cleaner. We got a VivaMK laundry sanitary pre-soak. We got a VivaMK versatile. We got a VivaMK easy iron. We got a VivaMK spider repellent. We've got a VivaMK Might Away. We've got a VivaMK eco-friendly shower cleaner. We've got a VivaMK easy iron. We've got a VivaMK Revive. We've got a VivaMK cat and dog repellent. We got a second VivaMK cat and dog repellent. So this box emptied. So we got a double luxury quilted fitted mattress protector. And we got a diffuser, which the that last box was sat on top of. So that's this delivery. So if anybody interested in doing some cataloguing near to where they live, just PM me and I'll send you the details to join. Okay, bye.